my YouTube channel RF Ride, introducing the 2025 Piaggio Ape City Rickshaw, a versatile and efficient solution for urban and semi-urban passenger transportation. Designed to cater to the evolving needs of commuters and operators alike, this three-wheeled vehicle combines practicality with modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. The Ape City Rickshaw is powered by a single-cylinder, 230cc engine, available in both CNG and LPG variants. This engine configuration ensures optimal fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, aligning with contemporary environmental standards. The vehicle delivers a power output of approximately 9.17 horsepower, providing sufficient performance for city commutes. In terms of dimensions, the Ape City measures 2,700 mm in length, 1370 mm in width, and 1725 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 1920 mm. These compact dimensions facilitate easy maneuverability through congested urban streets, while the seating capacity accommodates the driver plus 3 passengers comfortably. The rickshaw's suspension system comprises hydraulic telescopic shock absorbers, contributing to a smoother ride over varying road conditions. Safety features include drum brakes that provide reliable stopping power, ensuring passenger security during transit. One of the standout aspects of the Ape City is its fuel efficiency. The vehicle offers an impressive mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for operators concerned with operational expenses. Additionally, the rickshaw's design emphasizes durability and reliability, promising longevity and reduced maintenance costs over time. The interior of the Ape City is designed with passenger comfort in mind. The seating is ergonomically arranged to provide ample space for occupants, and the cabin layout ensures ease of entry and exit. Moreover, the vehicle's ground clearance of 170 mm allows it to navigate uneven terrains commonly found in urban settings. In summary, the 2025 Piaggio Ape City Rickshaw stands out as a practical, efficient, and environmentally friendly option for urban transportation. Its combination of fuel efficiency, compact design, and passenger comfort makes it a compelling choice for both drivers and passengers seeking a reliable mode of transport in bustling city environments. For more detailed insights and a visual overview of the 2025 Piaggio Ape City Rickshaw, we invite you to watch our comprehensive unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and reviews on the newest automotive releases.